beautiful view on the way to Grand Canyon. This is the scenic overlook, so you can stop by just to taking a pictures. It's beautiful for sure. Okay, we are going to Hoover Dam first before we are going to Grand Canyon. So it's on the way stop here. We're just gonna go ahead and stop at Hoover Dam since it's still morning and really nice. Not much traffic, so we have a lot of time. Make sure you come here as early as possible because later they say it can be crowded. We have to stop at a security point. I'm not sure what they're checking on, but yeah, just follow what it is. There, high profile vehicles. What does that mean, high profile vehicle? Use left lane, maybe like a truck. So this is a parking area. You pay $10 for parking. Okay, and we're going to visitor center. Okay, we are at a Hoover Dam. It is helicopter. Food and gifts. They have a restroom. They have food and gifts here at the parking lot. It's really hot. Drink a lot of water. Okay, let's walk to the Hoover Dam.
They have tour $15, but
No, we don't need to.
yeah.
We just... Oh, look at this. Hmm?
So I can have this pay.
Really?
Yeah.
So it's different?
Unless we walk. We can walk that way.
Let's just walk over there. Ooh, excessive heat warming. So it can be really hot in here, seems like. Yep, it's right now still 10 o'clock already, like hot. Feel the burn.
I feel the burn.
I feel the burn. Yes, there we go.
That's the stronger one for my neck.
Okay, we are at Hoover Dam. We're gonna walk around. Maybe we're not going to the visitor center and we just, you know, take tour ourselves.
Yeah, we just walk around a little bit.
Yeah, that's better. There's this area here. Okay, there's a Hoover Dam. It's really hot right now. Oh my gosh. There's some monument here. And we are, sorry, I'm gonna take a picture here.
Gumagaling ka na, man. Kaya na pag panoramic, in-upload mo. Maliit. Kailangan mo.
Yeah. So make sure you put your sunscreen. Oh my god, so hot. It's only what time right now? Well, 10 o'clock, not even 10 yet. Yeah, it's like 9:55 in the morning. Super hot, so I suggest you come in the morning. Oh, this is a cooling area. Real bird. Look, it's red. Okay, that is the dam.
The dam.
Okay, let's walk over there.
Let's go around.
Look at that. Wow. Woo. Oh yeah, you can take a zoom. Okay, it's beautiful for sure. It's the best. The biggest one, the biggest dam in the USA. Look at that one. Wow, it's awesome. Okay, let's walk again. It's a beautiful place. Over there. Please. Woo.
Here we are at the Hoover Dam. Looking out. Onto Lake Mead. Nevada side. And then on this side is Arizona. Arizona.
Oh my god.
It's really hot here today. 10 o'clock in the morning. About 80 degrees. Feels hotter than that. You have to pay for parking. And also you have to pay for the visitor center. So we didn't go in the visitor center, just there. It's free to walk across though. What do you think?
Huh? Cool. Hot.
It's hot. Definitely hot.
Super hot. So this is like how the modern civil engineering create this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it started at 1955.
Well, that's when they got this award.
Yeah. Because after make this dam or
1935.
oh they make this dam in 1935 I think.
And look, you're in Arizona now.
Oh yeah, we're in Arizona now.
And Nevada.
Take a picture of the city.
Alright,
You can walk in the other side with a cover instead of in this side where we are. It's so hot. Look. Where's the water coming from? Lake?
that way. Yeah, the lake. And then it comes through here.
Wow, this is just amazing. So as you can see, that is the dam. It's really hot in here. So this is they have like two lanes, like this side and the left side going to the dam, and that one is the right side, which has a cover a little bit. So when you walk through that way, maybe you get less exposure by the sun. This side is really hot. The sun is just right there. So we are on the Arizona side right now, right? We are in the Arizona. My gosh, just like step order. It's cool. Oh, I see. So that is Nevada time. And that one is Arizona time. Okay. That. are in Arizona time,
Yeah.
which is 3 hours different.
No.
Wait, how many?
Same. It's the same.
Same?
Yeah. They just like to allude to it, I think, because I mean it's still 10 o'clock. We
No.
got here around 9:30, right?
Isn't it like 2 hours different or something?
No.
That's
No, you
weird.
can see their clock. It's the same. There. I don't know why they do that.
Okay, let's take pictures in here. That is the Arizona time.
Here we are at the Hoover Dam on the Arizona side. Looking out towards Lake Mead. That's the Nevada side over there. Busy day today on a Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the morning. So you can see the power station all around here. The visitor center off in the distance. Arizona side over there. We'll be going over there later towards the Grand Canyon. So at the Hoover Dam, if you walk across the bridge here, you can look down onto the power plant. And they offer tours for $15. Yeah, $15 for the power plant. This is the Arizona side.
Oh my god, it goes! Yes!
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Everybody's looking at me.
What's going on here?
No, Nevada, in Arizona.
Oh ya, so guys, teman-temanku di Indonesia. Jadi ini pembangkit tenaga listrik ya. Tuh di bawah ada 2. Yang satu punyanya Nevada, yang satu punyanya Arizona State. There. Tuh border highway-nya juga di sana. Wow. Okay, let's go to Grand Canyon. It's too hot. Yay. Okay. That's it for the Hoover Dam. Now we are going ahead to Grand Canyon. Well, I've been to Arizona already. Even at the Hoover Dam only. Yep.
Before, I don't know what the figurines are or who they are. It's an astronomical message for civilization. Thousands of years from now, they'll be able to tell when the dam was built. So if you're watching this 1,000 years from now, you can see the date the dam was built. Right there, somewhere in there, star chart. And there's the actual compass.
On the terrazzo floor you were standing on, embedded
Alright. Okay. Picture.
So this is a zodiac. So they built a zodiac, what is it called? Monument.
Yeah.
Let's see mine. Here. This is mine.
Alright.
Take a picture.
Here's your Virgo. One second.
This is perfect. I think these are yeah, there's the stars.
that the winged figures of the Republic rest upon
Yeah.
is called black diorite.
That's cool.
Like all the building materials used
Can I touch this one?
in the dam, this rock came from one of the then 48 states.
Yeah.
What's
Bananas. So now we are going to Grand Canyon. We are on Arizona State already. We're going to the West Skywalk and Eagle Point. This is the road looks like after the dam. It's beautiful, nice, rocky.